Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video we will prepare a mask with natural ingredients against wrinkles. A natural mask to look younger than your age. To prepare this recipe we need a banana. Banana deeply moisturizes the skin. Bananas contain natural moisturizers. Right arrow prevents skin dryness. Right arrow smooths fine wrinkles. Right arrow makes the skin smooth and elastic. White heavy check mark supports collagen production. Bananas contain vitamin C and B6. Right arrow tightens the skin. Right arrow reduces sagging. Right arrow the face looks younger. White heavy check mark antioxidant effect. Bananas contain powerful antioxidants. Right arrow slows down premature aging. Right arrow protects against sun and stress damage. Right arrow brightens skin tone. White heavy check mark evens out skin tone. Right arrow spots fade slowly. Right arrow face looks radiant and healthy. Right arrow whitening effect appears. White heavy check mark increases skin softness. Right arrow nourishes dry and rough skin. Right arrow gives a smooth baby skin effect. We need oranges for this recipe. Orange boosts collagen production. Orange is a very rich source of vitamin C. Right arrow tightens the skin. Right arrow wrinkles slow down. Right arrow the face looks younger. Right arrow sagging is reduced. White heavy check mark whitens and reduces spots. Right arrow lightens pigmentation and sunspots. Right arrow evens out complexion. Right arrow skin glows brightly sparkles. White heavy check mark accelerates skin renewal. Orange contains natural acids. Right arrow removes dead cells. Right arrow smooths the skin. Right arrow smooths fine lines. White heavy check mark balances oily skin. Right arrow narrows pores. Right arrow reduces excess oil. Right arrow reduces acne. White heavy check mark powerful antioxidant protection. Right arrow fights free radicals. Right arrow slows down premature aging. Right arrow protects the skin from external harmful factors. To get rid of wrinkles on your face, use this mask for 4 days. You can continue after 4 days if you want. Apply the mask to a cleansed face. After using it, you need to put the product back in the refrigerator, then take it out and use it. Wash off the mask after 5 minutes.